This is station W9XZV, the experimental television transmitter of Zenith Radio Corporation, Chicago. This is an experimental transmission made by authority of the Federal Communications Commission. This is the first public demonstration of Phonevision. Phonevision is a new kind of television that will make it possible to broadcast first-run movies, current plays, operas, and other fine entertainment features that are not now available for television programs. In addition, Phonevision will permit reception of everything now provided by regular television. You will still be able to see and hear boxing and wrestling matches, sporting events, spot news broadcasts, fashion shows, and all of the sponsored and sustaining programs already available to regular television set owners. As you can readily understand, the producers of current motion pictures and plays have refused to permit the televising of their shows. They have invested huge sums on their productions, and their only way to recover the money they had already spent and to operate a profitable business was through the box office. In the past, television has not had such a box office that could help pay the very great costs of modern, complete entertainment. In the radio field, advertisers have paid the bill so that listeners might enjoy a variety of entertainment. This has been possible because a radio program which is only heard and not seen is comparatively inexpensive to produce. Actors need only to read their lines as they stand before the microphone. No costumes or elaborate sets are needed. Production costs of television programs, however, are vastly greater than standard radio programs, far too great for advertisers or broadcasters to bear. Like the motion picture industry and the legitimate theater, each television program must be perfect in staging and in sound. Each scene must meet the critical eye as well as the ear. Such elaborate productions cost many thousands of dollars per minute, and, like motion pictures and the legitimate stage presentations, must be paid for by those who enjoy them, if this entertainment medium is to be completely successful. With Phonevision, theatrical and motion picture producers will be free to release their productions for television broadcasting, since those who see and hear them will contribute toward the cost of staging the entertainment. In a Phonevision broadcast, only a part of the signal is sent through the air from the television transmitter to the receiver in the home. The rest of the signal, the key, so to speak, is separated and sent over ordinary telephone wires. Without this key, television receivers tuned to the program will show only blurred or scrambled pictures. Listeners who want to enjoy the program being presented over Phonevision need only pick up their telephone and ask the telephone operator to connect them with the program they want to enjoy. Immediately, this missing key is added to the signal being received, and the picture on the television screen becomes clear and sharp. A small charge added to your phone bill pays the cost of this deluxe entertainment and makes it possible for you to enjoy it free from annoying commercials or other interruptions. Furthermore, reception of the key to clear up the scrambled pictures through your telephone does not interfere with the normal use of the telephone in any way. Here then is the answer to the final hurdle in television's progress. For a number of years, it has been recognized that television was technically sound and feasible, but that an answer must be found to the question of who would pay for such expensive entertainment. It has long been obvious that television could not be completely successful until its programs were freed from the economic shackles which bound them and prevented televising the programs most desired. Phonevision strikes off those economic shackles by creating a real box office. A small charge added to the telephone bills of each of the thousands of persons who enjoy a Phonevision program makes it possible to present programs of the finest quality, programs whose production costs would be so great as to prevent possibility of their presentation if they were to be paid for by broadcasters or advertisers or both. Phonevision takes television out of the laboratory and out of the corner tavern and into the living room of every American home. We continue with a Phonevision presentation of new motion pictures of the kind not available for ordinary television broadcasting.